Hey fam, so today we're trying out the Epres Home Care Spray-On treatment. On our client Rax, she's been blonde for 6 months. It's quite damaging due to the bleach and all the heat that she used. So this is very easy, one-step treatment, and let's see how this goes. So how to use Epres Home Care Spray-In treatment is to apply it on dry hair, making sure that you saturate it really well and then leaving on for 10 minutes. You can leave this product on for 10 minutes or more. As long as the product is in your hair, the technology will continue to work. So even if you want to go or sleep with it. So after using this home care treatment, you can feel that the hair is a lot softer. There's not much frizz in the hair too. This is just blow drying it without any treatments or leave-in products. This product you can use 1 to 2 times a week. So it does do what it does, guys. Definitely feel that softness in the hair. What I really like about this product, guys, is that it's super easy. All you need to do is spray it in, leave it in for 10 minutes or more, and then rinse it out, style it, and that's pretty much it.